Hi everyone, it's Jason here. Today I'm going to show you a really handy feature that Xero has called Files. Now, not only is Xero a fantastic bookkeeping package, but it also acts as an electronic filing cabinet as well. There's a really handy feature here, and you can find it by clicking on this little icon here. It's called the Files tab. So if I click it, so we're now into the Files section of Xero. So what this is used for, if you have any important documents that, for example, your client needs to send you, so it could be lease agreements, hire purchase agreements, or bank loan agreements, fixed asset invoices, basically anything that you need to keep a copy of nice and securely, rather than having the paper strewn around your office, you can store an electronic copy safe and securely within Xero. Now, you'll see there's a rather strange email address here. Now, it's strange for a reason. It's completely generic to your client. So you can get your client to email you any important attachments that they have directly to this email address, and it will send them straight into your files inbox in Xero. So this file here, for example, I emailed to this address literally 2 or 3 minutes ago, and it's now safe and secure in our inbox. So if I click on it, it's called Slide 7, and it's just a little example about how double entry works. And I just sent that through to Xero as an example to show you how the files system works. So if I close that for the moment. Now, another way we can get files into Xero's files inbox is literally by dragging them from the desktop. So I've got a file on my desktop here from Making Tax Digital, and I'm going to drag that into my files inbox, and there we go. So it's really easy to get your safe, secure documents into Xero really quickly. And as I say, it's unique to each client. So each client can have their own files inbox. It's a really handy feature. And another thing you can do, if I quickly show you, if I click on this plus icon here, and I go to New Bill. Now, what you can actually do when you're in a new bill or a new spend money transaction is you can click on the Files tab here, and you can actually add a document from the file library into your transaction here. So if you've got, let's say, a fixed asset invoice that you've just dragged into the files inbox, or you've just emailed in, you can add that image from the file library into the transaction when you, for example, document your fixed asset purchase within Xero. So Files is a really handy feature. Wouldn't be without it. Like a secure electronic filing cabinet, I use it an awful lot, and it's a really great thing to use.